Good early morning, everyone. It's Michelle Mitten Prepper. I just traveled over here before all the traffic got out to come to one of my favorite Dollar Tree stores. Let's see what kind of goodies we can find in here today. You never know what they're gonna have. Seems like every place is ready for 4th of July. It's a little ways away, but I guess they get what they get. This area over here is surprisingly bare. They do have some cool decorations, though. Those are pretty cool. Some DIYs, sell them, make a few extra dollars, get yourself some more preps. We'll see what kind of new stuff they're gonna get in here. Anybody else a fan of nomies? I call them nomies. I love them things. They're so cute. Yard decorations for us patriot people. I have tons of American flags everywhere around my home. So they definitely know a veteran lives there. And someone who loves my country as well. Well, not the state of the country, but you know what I mean. I see gardening stuff. These gloves are pretty good. They're doable. I actually have a lot of these. I plant these. And I plant some of those. Helps out the little critters and stuff. Plus, I like the butterflies and hummingbirds being around. Still got some of these trellises available. Those are pretty good for your different plants that climb. I haven't heard from anybody. Any of you grow any of these? Do they come up well? Do they last long? Let me know in the comments, please. Alrighty. Well, I'm looking for plant clips. I'm not seeing any plant clips left here. Maybe they have them hidden somewhere else. These jumbo garden bags are a good dealio, though. $1.25. Aha! They are moving some things around. I get these 10 count of these to label my items so I know what I got growing where. 10 of them for $1.25 is pretty good. And I just found 4 packs of the microgreens. I'm gonna pick these up. Don't forget to pick up a pair of camo print flip-flops. That's a must-have. Great for the garden. If they get trashed, you can throw them away for $1.25. They have these 32-ounce hand soap bottles still. A couple of cases. These LED emergency candles, 50 hours each, 100 hours total. These are definitely handy. I've used them many, many times in the years, so good to have some of those. Keep an eye out for the crank emergency flashlights. Those are always good to have on hand. Also, these are newer and they're pretty good, pretty bright. Yeah, 3 AA batteries, not included of course, but still worth having on hand. These are something new. Let's see if I can show you. It is a 14-piece screwdriver set. It's pretty cool. Inexpensive thing you can start off with your preps. Showed these before. 3-piece with a little tape measure. That's another inexpensive thing you can add if you're just starting out on a low budget. Not the highest quality, of course, but again, if you're starting out and you want to get a little tool set going, 9-piece hex key set, and also the 6-piece, these little tiny tips on them. Those are really, really good to have too, for those difficult things with those tiny little screws to remove. Ooh, zip ties, cable ties, whatever you want to call them. I'm addicted to those. I totally have a ton of these, but I love them, especially the small ones. Well, I have some tarps in stock. Those look good. We use them to cover up air conditioners, projects outside. You can use them in the garden. $1.25, really cheap. Remember the bleach shortage of 2020? They have 96-ounce containers for $1.25. About, let's see, there's 5 cases there. Always good to have some on hand. 100-pack of disposable gloves. These things are awesome. I always have those on hand. Use them for everything. These 3-pack of erasers, they actually work really good. I get these instead of spending 3 times the amount for a name brand one. Something good to have on hand is some different things to help with sore muscles if you're gonna soak in the tub. That one with the activated charcoal is really good, and I like the lavender scent one as well. You won't find a pound or so for $1.25 anywhere else. Pink Himalayan bath salt one, that's a good one. I have some of that, it works nice for sore muscles. Keep an eye out for some of these aromatherapies, they're really good. They have them in roll-ons. I don't see any roll-on ones here, but these are drops. But those are good to have on hand for a natural alternative when we don't have other things to use. These are new, they must have got these in. Bonus size of shampoos and conditioners, 20% more. And they have a men's one, 3-in-1. Kind of like men's smells better than the ladies' smells, but and they also have 20% bonuses on these. This is a new item. 110 bandages. That's inexpensive for your medical preps starting out. They actually have some of this Jolly Time popcorn. Best Buy 2024. It's a good thing to have on hand. You can eat it, grind it, bake with it, whatever. Yummy stuff. Okay, they still have a $1 only section. Fruits. You're not gonna find these things for $1 anywhere. But look down here. My babies. These are the 29-ounce cans of whole potatoes. I'm getting a bunch. They have a small amount of them, but they're still $1. The red sweet peppers in the glass jars, they're $1. Good till 2025. I'm picking up a few of these too. And they also have Armor brand chili with beans. That's only $1. Goya's products are $1. Like those two. I'm gonna get some of this Armor chili with beans and these. And they have the jarred mushrooms hidden on the bottom. But I love the big cans of the potatoes. $1. They have lentils in stock. I'm gonna pick up some of these. A little bit of good stuff there and there. It's a new product. They have gluten-free spaghetti here. Wow, it's almost a pound worth. Not bad. If you ever find this, Letty's, this garlic pasta sauce is the bomb diggity. At least I think so. It's got an olive oil in it. No heck, it's all good stuff. Made in the USA. I'm gonna get some of these. I got my favorite tortillas in stock. These are awesome. 12 of them for $1.25. These are a good deal too. 24 corn tortillas, a pound worth, $1.25. We got the Hunt's tomato ketchup in stock for $1.25. That's about the best you can get. There's a new product. Taco seasoning liquid, mild, gluten-free. Interesting. It's a new one. Letty's must be a new brand. Buffalo mild wing sauce. Lemon pepper marinade. A couple good things to try. There's teriyaki and herb and garlic. Check out your stores for those. See if you got some of that in stock. Anybody need a number 10 can of dill relish? Well, they have them here. 99 ounces of relish. Hey, if you're having a big old party, lots of hot dogs on the grill, there you go. You're all set. I only got some of the Gosner's shelf-stable milk. The date on this is better than the new stuff. December 22. The new stuff they got here is Prairie Farms, but the date is 10/10 of 22. So guess what? I'm gonna get December of 2022. One of my daughter's favorites. Nuggets and smiley face potatoes. I'll put them in the freezer. They got the Gosner's whole milk, good till February of 2023, which means it's better even longer after that. So, because it seems like the other stuff, the new products, don't have as good a date. So I'm gonna get some of these. We have some bread here and some buns, but no English muffins. Bummer. Those are my favorites. I love getting those here. They have the package of the small matches. They got quite a few in stock. Keep an eye out for those. Always good to have them. All right, pretty good haul of goodies. Some new items too. I have to show you guys some of the other new items I saw and found. I didn't get on there. It was getting pretty busy, but anyhow, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and share with me some of your favorite Dollar Tree items and if you can find them. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. I love you guys. Have a great day.